Yes, absolutely, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. What is cracking, everybody? Shoot, dude. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world, baby, and always transforming that psychology, dude. Yeah, buddy, dude. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the channel, you guys on this channel, I teach all things confidence building. I teach all things mindset. You're going to understand stuff. You're going to learn stuff about psychology, about universal laws of attraction, and about quantum physics, which is science on how reality really works. And so I share lots of deep insights when it comes to your own motivations. You see, everything that I'm here, you don't need me, is what I'm going to say right now. You don't need me. You don't need this information. What this channel is about, I'm here to share with you and point out areas in your own mind that you're unaware of. I'm here to share with you those, shine light on those ignorant spots that you have and I have and we all have, so that if you're willing to learn, you can transform who you are. Because the stuff that I share is extremely deep. It's going to freaking rock your world, guaranteed, because this is the kind of stuff that I teach people, baby, because I've decoded how reality works. And so, if that sounds good to you, baby, then stick around, because today I'd like to share with you what you need to know about human imprints. What you need to know about human imprints. Luke, what does this have to do with confidence building? Luke, what does this have to do with the law of attraction? Luke, what does this have to do with psychology and mindset? It has everything to do with it, baby. Because, see, these are things that I've learned. And this is why you need to know this type of information. See, when you know something, that means you K-N-O-W, right? You have the knowledge of this certain information. And this is why it's important. Because all of us humans, me, you, and everyone else, we have what is called a human. We walk around our reality every day, imprinting our energy on the reality of everywhere we go. Everything we've experienced. This is all of us. You're probably thinking, well, how do I imprint my human imprint on everything? And this is how it is, baby. So the person that you are right now, it comes from all the information that you were raised around. You see, your environment from the time you were born, you have all this information that you're raised around, right? You're raised around a society that says this is the way to do things. This is what to have. You got to go to school. You got to get an education. You got to get a degree. You got to learn some skill sets. You got to get the tools, right? You got to get the thinking, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And then to top it off, you're picking up habits and behaviors and attitudes from your family, from the people you were raised around. Friends, relatives, co-workers, employees, schoolmates. You see that? You being in that environment, all that information of everything that I just shared with you is getting imprinted onto who you are. See, you don't even know how to speak until you've been imprinted with that language pattern long enough. Oh, yeah, buddy. That should freaking rock your world and blow your mind if you understand that. That should, baby. You've been imprinted with your attitude. This is why you have the attitude that you have. This is why you have the everything that you have in your life. You've had it imprinted into you. Most people are unaware that they think that they are who they are and that's just it. Well, this is my lot in life. This is what I get and that's it. They don't even realize that they're in charge. They don't even realize what they can actually create, what they can actually build, who they can actually become. You see what I'm saying here, dude? And so when we talk about human imprints, you've been imprinted with all kinds of... See, how does a murderer, it's kind of graphic, but how does a murderer become a murderer? What information was imprinted into him to actually go out and commit whatever the crime that is? This goes for anything. It's an extreme example, but dude, it's real. See, how does a person become successful? How does a person become a multi-millionaire? A billionaire, right? How? I mean, how? Ask yourself. You ever stop to think about it? They just understand something that the average person doesn't understand, dude. And because they understand it, that means that they received access to some type of information that imprinted those ideas onto them. Oh, yeah, buddy, baby. That's freaking amazing. That's powerful right there, dude. Because see, this information that I'm sharing with you, like I said, you don't even need me. You don't even need to watch this information. The only reason you would consume this information is because you want to learn something, right? And that's why I do this content, is to share value with like-minded people who want to learn how to develop greater self-awareness, right? Greater confidence, dude. Yeah, buddy. Guess what, baby? The more you hang with hard chargers, guess what? The more you get imprinted and impacted and projected all this information onto who you are. That allows you to become that person that you want to become, right? You want to build more confidence? You want to be more happy? You want to be more charismatic, buddy? Do you? You want to learn how to develop undeserved kindness? See, when you're very kind to yourself, when you're very authentic with yourself, you get to be kind to other people. You get to be, you get to give that undeserved kindness. Now, mind you, yes, people can take advantage of that. People can treat you a certain way. But when you are the conscious perceiver, the possessor of that imprint, you're going to know automatically how to be, who to be, how to act. Or because most people, there's two things that are going to happen in life. You're going to act or you're going to react. I don't know about you, but when I remain in my energy field, when I remain grounded in my knowledge, in who I am, in my self-awareness, guess what, dude? Freaking juggernaut, dude. You don't react. Sure, there's potential there, but I'm talking about the overarching, the over-dominating energy that you carry with you. So when we talk about what you need to know about human imprints, this is vitally important. Because you live your life right now, walking around, going here, going there, doing this, doing that, and you're leaving your imprint or your energy everywhere you go. You ever been around somebody negative and you just feel their negative energy that's trying to get imprinted onto you? Hey, dude, I've done it too. All of us have. Because we don't learn this in school, baby. And so we live life imprinting our own energy, our own personality, our own attitude, our own behaviors on not only our own reality, but on everyone else. Oh, bad attitude here, bad attitude there, negative here, negative there. And so this is what we do as people, not even knowing that's what we're doing. And I'm sharing with you, baby, what we do so that you can know what not to do. You can reverse the psychology, so to speak, right? And so, if you're used to walking around in anger and sadness and negativity and depression and worry and fear there's all kinds of emotions that we carry with us. You're going to leave those imprints with other people. If you're very shy and bashful, it's nothing to be ashamed of, but at the same time, it's something you got to work on if you want to become bold, if you want to, come out of yourself, if you want to figure it out, right? You want to get real authentic with yourself? You want to get real comfortable with yourself? Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. This is what I've learned. And so, that's what humans do. We leave our imprint on other people. You listen to the radio's imprinting you all day. It's imprinting you with that energy. Bad news, same thing. They're imprinting you. All information leaves an imprint on who we are. And then we pick up a carbon copy, meaning almost a duplicate of that energy, of that information, and then we go, oh yeah, and we go tell people, hey, did you hear about this, and that? And then we carbon copy that and imprint that into other people. Yeah, buddy, baby. What do you want to do? You want to learn how to rock your world? You want to learn how to build confidence? You want to learn how to be happy? You want to learn how to imprint inspiration into other people? How to imprint motivation into other people? It's up to you, dude, what you decide to do, buddy. I'm just here sharing this insight. And this is something else. This is why this channel, it'll trigger you. It'll challenge you. And that's actually to your benefit. Most people don't know that. Most people will get triggered and react and get mad and never come back. But you got to understand, I'm here to point out areas in your psychology, in your beliefs, in your attitude, in your personality, where there's a flaw. That means there's something there that you don't know that's creating a problem. And when we're ignorant to those things inside of us, guess what, dude? We remain ignorant. We remain feeling inferior. We remain feeling insecure. And then what we usually do is go, no, I know who I am. Mr. Tough Guy comes to the rescue. But that stubborn attitude does not allow you to grow. It doesn't allow you to build authentic, transparent confidence. Yeah, buddy. And so, that's why I talk about these insights. Because I'm sharing with you, I'm imprinting into you the awareness that I have. But guess what? You got to be willing to accept the imprint. You got to be willing to accept that knowledge. You got to be willing to have a good time, dude. To not get so butthurt. To not get so upset. It's actually good when you're getting challenged, right? You're going to go to the gym. Guess what? You're being challenged. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. I'm not saying to be cruel to yourself. And that's why I'm not being cruel. That's why I'm being honest. Sometimes the truth hurts, but the truth reveals everything that we need to know about who we are if we're being honest with ourselves. Because see, what you see out in the world is a reflection of who you are. Did you know that? See, if you want the world out there to change, the world inside of you has to change. Yeah, but I'm just one person, Luke. I don't have that big of an impact. That's not true. You just think that small of yourself. You have an impact in this world. You imprint this world with your energy every single day. Guess what, baby? Learn to imprint your internal world with amazingness, with confidence, with courage, with boldness, baby. Guess what? You gain the victory over the victim, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. Most people don't know that. And so, you want to imprint confidence into people? Guess what? You got to possess that print inside of you. You want to imprint love? Guess what? You have to possess that love inside of you. You want to imprint motivation? You have to possess that motivation in you. See, you can't imprint and give away what you don't have. A lot of people don't know that. So what a lot of people do is they go around and they imprint anger. They imprint jealousy. They imprint resentment. They imprint greed. They imprint poor me. This is what people do, and they don't even know it. And the reason they're imprinting that is because they've internalized and identified with those ideas. Blow your mind, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to rock some insights on what you need to know about human imprints. You can be imprinted by toxic energy, toxic realities, toxic thoughts, toxic beliefs. And if you're imprinted with that and you're unaware, you will subconsciously accept those imprints, and then you will turn around and go live life and project those imprints onto other people because you've seen it imprinted on you. This is why a person who usually gets, if they were raised around somebody who always beat their mom or vice versa, they usually will get involved in a relationship and imprint that same attitude and that same relationship into their reality. Blow your mind, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, if you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing, baby. If you guys like the video, Boom, dude. Big old thumbs up. Hit the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, dude. Yeah, buddy. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Peace. Boom, 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 boom. That's it, baby. Imprint. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare the thumb war. Yeah, buddy. If you guys want to imprint a new reality on your reality, you have to imprint new beliefs on your soul, dude. And then you'll get to rock your world, baby. Boom.